Ready to unlock the power of your data and supercharge your email marketing? First, log into your Zoho CRM account. We need to retrieve your organization ID and auto token to establish a secure connection. Navigate to Setup, then click on the Channels section and select APs. Here, you'll find your organization ID and auto token. Keep these details handy. We will need them in Zoho Campaigns. Now, switch over to your Zoho Campaigns account. Go to Settings, then Integration, and select Zoho CRM. You'll find a section where you can paste the organization ID and auto token we just obtained from Zoho CRM. Paste both the organization ID and the auto token into their respective fields. Once pasted, click the Save or Authenticate button to establish the connection. After successful authentication, you'll be prompted to configure the data synchronization settings. Here, you can select which Zoho CRM modules you want to sync with Zoho Campaigns, such as leads, contacts, and accounts. Next, map the fields between Zoho CRM and Zoho Campaigns. This ensures that data from CRM fields is accurately transferred to corresponding fields in Campaigns. Finally, specify the sync frequency. Decide how often you want the data to synchronize between Zoho CRM and Zoho Campaigns. You can choose real-time sync, hourly, daily, or weekly based on your requirements. Congratulations, you've successfully integrated Zoho Campaigns with Zoho CRM. Now you can create targeted email campaigns, track performance, and boost your marketing raw with personalized messages based on your CRM data.